Kia ora and welcome to this third lesson in the Language of Chemistry or Chemistry in 48 Hours series. This time we're going to be looking at the symbols of groups 1 and 2. You need to know the symbols of the elements before you can start making the words. So, group 1, also known as the alkali metals, we're going to look at the ones highlighted here, HLiNaK. So what are these elements? We've got H is hydrogen, Li is lithium, Na sodium, and K potassium. Notice that hydrogen, the H for the first letter is the symbol, and the first two letters for lithium is for the Li, but sodium and potassium are not, because it actually comes from the original Greek word of natrium and kalium. So the Na is for sodium and the K is for potassium. Notice that the last three are metals and hydrogen is a gas and it's found in stars. Right, how can we remember these? So one way is to think of high Lionel, sweet puss, the S for sodium sound and P for the potassium sound, and there is a sweet puss, but the sweet puss can change into a naughty kitten, so you can think of high Lionel, naughty kitten, the Na for sodium and the K for potassium. So sweet puss, naughty kitten, and I hope you'll remember that. Now, quick practice. Can you match the symbol with the name? Pause the video and have a go. Here are the answers. Na sodium, hydrogen, K potassium, Li lithium. I'm sure you got them right. Now group 2. These are also known as the alkali earth metals, and we will look at the ones highlighted here. So let's have a look at them. Be, the first two letters of beryllium. Mg, magnesium, it's the first and the third letter. Calcium is Ca, strontium is the first and the third letter, and barium is the first two letters again. Notice they are all metals. One way to remember it is to think of Beryl's magnificent cake, strawberry banana, yum. So that is a way of remembering the order of the group. So, time for practice. Pause the video. Can you match the symbol, the name and the symbol? Here are the answers. And I hope you got them right. Some more practice. So this time you want to sort them as either group 1 or group 2. So pause the video and see if you can do it. Here are the answers. Did you think of high Lionel, sweet puss or naughty kitten, and Beryl's magnificent cake? I left out the strontium, so it's strawberry, and then banana. Finally, time for tips. Practice by writing. It really helps. So write out all the element names and then see if you can write the symbols. Then hide the names, and from the symbols, can you write down the names? Check your spelling to make sure you get that right. And finally, time for joke. I wanted to say a joke about sodium and hydrogen, but nah. See if you can get it. Bye. See you next time.